Microsoft is following Google's steps and is working on shutting down cold email, and it's not looking good. So today I'll share exactly what Microsoft is doing, how it will affect you, and what to do to avoid being sent to spam by Microsoft itself. If you don't know, Microsoft is the owner of Outlook, one of the biggest email service providers out there. And just like Gmail, Outlook is doing everything to protect their users from unsolicited emails. We know what Google did this January. We know that Google is now using AI to analyze and push suspicious emails to spam. And if you watched my last video, you're safe because you know how to tippy-toe around Gmail's changes. But Microsoft is different. What Outlook has done is a huge change, and it will affect everybody. Outlook has started punishing new domains. Now, what does that mean to you? Well, if you created a new domain that's less than a year old and started sending cold emails, you have a high chance of going to spam if you're reaching out to Outlook's mailboxes. Now, you may be thinking, I can just warm up my mailboxes. No. Well, you can, but none of the warm-up methods tested have helped any new domain to reach Outlook mailboxes. The warm-up is worthless in this case. If you buy new domains today or have bought domains a month ago, a half a year ago, you're still screwed. You're going to reach out to Outlook mailboxes, land in spam, and destroy your mailbox and domain reputation. So what do? Well, there are 3 things you should do if you want to stay out of spam. First, only purchase top-level domains, or TLDs for short. And there are 2 reasons as to why. First, top-level domains have overall better deliverability than other domains. For example, .com, .net, or .co domains are better than .x, y, and z domains. Second reason why you should buy TLD domains is as a safety precaution. If Microsoft is penalizing new domains now, it's likely that in the future they will start penalizing any domains that aren't top-level domains. So it's better to be safe than sorry. And no reason not to, because TLDs have better deliverability anyways, and you can purchase and set up top-level domains and mailboxes automatically with Mailforge or InfraForge. So 2 birds, 1 shot. Second thing you should do is select an email sending software that has an ESP matching option. ESP stands for Email Service Provider. So what ESP matching does is matches your email service provider with your recipient's email service provider. For example, if your recipient has an Outlook mailbox, the email sending software you use will use your Outlook mailboxes to reach that recipient. While this isn't an official way to avoid Outlook limits, this method has shown to increase deliverability in the past. So it's a great second layer of protection. Third and most important thing you should do to stay out of spam and keep winning with cold email is subscribing to our channel. Now don't panic, I'm not being selfish. Thing is, we post videos every single day. Everything from email industry updates like this to best deliverability options to our tool updates to best performing email copy. We post everything. And if you follow Salesforge channel, you'll stay up to date with everything that's happening in cold email space. And if you're quick enough, you might just be able to act before any radical changes and save out your bum. And we have an unlimited refund policy. So if you're ever not satisfied with subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're free to unsubscribe whenever with no questions asked. But I know this might not be enough to convince you, and I'm not going to push you. I just suggest you take a look at this video and perhaps it will change your mind. Peace!